Disc and pads, very bad stage. I'm just going to say something. When you hear slightly grinding noise, just stop and contact your local garage or mechanic, because if you take action in first step, you can just change the pads. If you using more and more, you ending with the need to change disc and pad. Disc and pad mean these days very expensive job. Yeah, if you have unusual, you can see it's going to metal. After that, make sure this slider pin moving smoothly. If it not remove and all this, yeah, exactly correct size. Then after that, we need to clean this surface, because this surface come with the tiny oil coating. Here and here we need to use brake cleaner and clean. Right. After that, lined up this groove here, and you can install this. Just press in. Right. Next step, need to install tire. Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got Hyundai Santa Fe 2013 model. I'm going to show you how to change rear disc and pads. Stay with me, take a good idea. After that, I'm pretty sure you can do your own like this job very easily. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get lot of useful video and tips. Let's go to the job. This is left-hand drive car, foreign car. Basically, before we start the job, we need to release parking brake. Just release. You don't want any special scanning tool or computer for this job. Just release, because this motor sit on middle of the car underneath. Then because of that, you don't want any special tool. Just release the parking brake. Then after that, you can do the job. Right, next step, I already removed the parking brake. Jack up the car underneath here. Jacking point underneath here. Next step, I'm going to remove wheel nut. It's 21 mil. You can see as it is grinding disc and pads, very bad stage. I'm just going to say something. When you hear slightly grinding noise, just stop and contact your local garage or mechanic, because if you take action in first step, you can just change the pads. If you using more and more, you ending with the need to change disc and pad. Disc and pad mean these days very expensive job. Yeah, if you have unusual noise, just take a quick action, then you can save a lot of money. Right, let's go to the job. Next step, I'm going to remove these two holding screws. I'll give you small tips. You need a like this Phillips screwdriver, just point it and give the pressure anti-clockwise and hammer. See, it's very easy. Same thing for the bottom one. Right. Next step, I'm going to remove caliper holding bolt. It's 14 mil. And bottom one. Right, after that I can remove the caliper and leave it safer place. Next step, I'm going to remove caliper runner bracket. That one also holding 14 mil. Right, it's out. This might be stuck because inside the disc there is a brake shoe holding for the parking brake. Sometimes there is an inside lip. However, this one bit stuck. You need to use the hammer. Then after that you can wiggle and remove it. Right, it's done. Next step, you need to clean this surface. And here you can clean the surface using brake cleaner. You can see it's going to metal. After that, make sure this slider pin moving smoothly. If it not, remove, clean inside and apply the grease. My scenario, this one moving nicely, then I don't want to clean and apply more grease there. After that, we need to clean inside here. After that, you can apply slightly copper grease around this area. When you're going to remove next time, it will easy. And slightly grease from this runner and this side runner. Two different pads. This one called brake pad indicator, wear indicator. This one need to go inside, this one outside. If you're not sure, you need to compare with the old one and new one. You can see exactly correct size, correct, and there is a back plate coming. I'm going to install that back plate. Right. After that, apply little bit grease. Don't going to apply too much. Edges, leave it, and outside one also same thing. Apply little bit grease. Right. Okay. Another grease for the holding screw. This holding screw, you need to apply little bit grease for the holding screw also. Right. Now copper grease job finish. After that, I'm going to compare new disc and old disc. Yeah, exactly correct size. And after that, we need to clean this surface, because this surface come with the tiny oil coating. Here, here and here we need to use brake cleaner and clean. Right. After that, lined up this groove here, and you can install this. Just press in, and also don't forget to remove this one from your old disc and install to new one. Right. After that, I'm going to install these two screws for this. Right, nice and tight. After that, before I install the caliper runner, I'm going to install pad here and there. It's very easy. I'm ready to install this bracket. First couple of threads you need to do by hand, and after that I'm going to use my ratchet gun. Right. After that, I'm going to give slightly tap to brake pad. Nice and in. After that, I need to press in this caliper piston. I can't use my special tool. It came out a little bit more. Then I have another tool. I'm going to use it, other tool for this job. You can see it will go in. Right, it's in. Next step, I'm going to install caliper. First couple of threads do by hand. Next step, need to install tire. After that, I'm going to lower the jack. Using torque bar and check the nut tighten enough. Right, nice and tight. Once you've done the brake, make sure 3-4 times pump this pedal until getting up. Then after that, I'm going to start the car. And I'm going to operate a couple of times parking brake. You can see it's working nicely. Yeah, all that should be. Then once you've done the brake disc and pad, make sure first 50-60 miles, drive carefully, drive gently, don't going to do hazard brakes. If you do it nicely, it's called bedding. Once you do the bedding properly, your brake will be fine. Now you know how to change the brake disc and pad of this car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow my channel, then you can get my new videos and tips. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.